guys, it's your girl KADI and you're tuned to KADI Uncut, and today I have a brand new knotless box braid tutorial for you guys. So these are my unclockable, totally undetectable knotless box braid tutorial. Okay, so if you just want to add a little length to your hair but you still want to make it, you know, look natural, yeah, then this is a tutorial for you guys. I am loving this hairdo and I know you love it too, so just keep on watching. In order to cut my braiding hair, so roughly my braiding hair will be about 28 inches, I'm not sure. So I'll measure my hair and then I'll cut my braiding hair 8 inches longer than my natural hair. So that's what I'm trying to say. So we'll be using just a little bit of braid, not a lot. So this is half a pack of Xpressions that I'll hopefully be able to cut into 2. I'm not sure, we'll see. But for me, what I'll be doing is I'll be adding the braiding hair at the very end of my natural hair, so I can cut it to about 10 inches. Yeah, about 10 inches, as I'll be adding it to the ends. This is how long my hair is, y'all. It's low back, not quite to my waist yet. So I'll be measuring my braiding hair to make it just a little bit longer. So I'll explain as I go along, so let's go. Okay guys, so we're almost through. I have done all the braids in the back, so now we're going to go through the front. Okay guys, so we're almost through. I have just the 4 in the front to finish. So I have sectioned off my braids. We're doing 3 small sections to add to my invisible braid, unclockable. So after I section out my braid, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my hair for braiding. pluckable, and since I got thin hair, I think I should keep them thin. So these are my braids. I'm going to curl the ends, or the loose ends will be tightly curled using my rods. So that's what we're getting into next, guys. So first, what we need to do is go ahead and trim up any stray hairs that we see on the braids, like this one. See those straggly ends? Yeah, I'm going to go through and trim this hair up, and then I'm going to put my rods on the ends, dip them in some hot water, boiling hot water, and then I'll be back. So this is what it's looking like. So I'm going to do the others and I'll be right back. This hairdo is perfect for my short natural sisters that just want to add a little length to your hair, want to fake it till they make it, honey. Then this is a tutorial for you. All you need to do is get your braiding hair that is a similar curl pattern, a similar texture to your natural hair, and they will be undetectable. I added some curls at the end, you know, this boho chic look. I added some beads, honey. I am loving this look. I must say these braids turned out so beautiful, and these beads, y'all, these beads are giving me life. So guys, the aim is to use a braiding hair that is close to your natural texture. I use Xpressions for mine because it is relatively close to my textured hair when it's blown out, and also I had it on hand, so I'm gonna use it. So if you guys can find a natural braiding hair that is close to your texture, then that would be the one to go with. I'm loving my braids. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn those notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.